Hey, what's going on, Trade Confident family? Hope you guys are doing good. It's like 8:21 in the evening, and I thought, you know what? I want to just do like a crypto roundup. So I was going to record what I do sometimes before I go to bed. So I'm just going to go through the trades. You guys want to just hang out here for a little bit? I want to turn more of the videos kind of like into this casual, like how are we going to make money? Like that's been on my mind. Like, how about we just all hang out and try to make a bunch of money together? And in the bear market, let's have a competition to see who can save the most and get into the best positions. Like, I don't know. I wanted to kind of turn this into that. If you guys are brand new to this channel, you guys know we're currently sitting at 102 for 102 wins. We've never lost a trade over here. Yes, some trades are in drawdown. I'll show you guys those trades tonight. But I really wanted to go over and just do like a roundup for myself. And I'll show you guys in the second half of the video how to get into our program that we trade here. I'll show you guys how to take trade setups right now that you can get into. I'll show you all those goodies at the end of the video. I want to like just get in. I want to just hang out and do a crypto roundup video tonight. So here's a Bitcoin trade. I'm not currently in Bitcoin, but I'm in almost every other one. So Bitcoin right now, we've hit our first buy limit on November 15th, and we had our second buy limit on December 3rd. So we've got two other buy limits here. This is a great trade in my opinion. Honestly, guys, like, you know, the market's going down. Most people's accounts, I'm almost positive most people are probably down between about 45 to 50% right now. I've shown you guys proof of that in some other videos. So anybody who's in this trade, you guys are actually doing really well. What I'm looking for specifically for Bitcoin is a break above this descending resistance line. And if we can break like right there, get a break and a retest, this could actually, I think that's going to be the precursor to the overall markets of a move up here, is this break here of this descending resistance, which I think is probably going to be right around 44,500. I'll cover this tomorrow in the Bitcoin video, but that's what I'm looking for Bitcoin. Ethereum, I'm actually in this trade with you guys. I think I have close to $6,000 in this trade. So we've gotten down December 8th, January 5th, and then we have two more buy limits down here. This would actually be really favorable. I know this is like, people don't like me saying this, but you know, this would actually be extremely favorable for us if we actually saw the crypto market crash. And it's funny because with this strategy that we're trading, a lot of people start understanding, wow, you know, we actually hope the market goes down because we get more buy limits hit. Now that's how you really know you actually have a good strategy, is when you kind of hope the market goes down further. Like, here's something cool. Like, here's what I do before bed when I'm just assessing this. I'm like, you know what, Travis? Good job that you used buy limits, because you saved yourself 8.73%. And I'm proud of myself when I go to bed tonight. I'm like, you know what? I could have been down an extra 8.73%. I could have been down 28% right now on Ethereum. But I've got about $1,500 cash here and $1,500 cash waiting to buy the dip. And if I hit this, my break-even entry is just going to come down further. I'm going to save another 8%. If I hit the fourth buy limit, I'm going to be saving like close to 25% just on this trade. And I don't even have to worry about it going down. I'm actually going to celebrate. Like this strategy that I'll show you guys in the end of this video, and how to get into our program, trade with me, all that stuff. But it's pretty cool. I'm also looking at this down here with the trend exhaustion. When the trend exhaustion is low down here, and the whale money flows here, what I'm looking for probably Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday is a move back up here. And I think we could actually push the structure resistance by Friday. Those are my personal thoughts, guys. I won't put this public on YouTube, but just kidding. Those are my thoughts. I think that Ethereum has a greater chance of moving up here than it does just coming down and crashing here, based off our indicators here. And these have been accurate like an incredible amount of times. Like these literally are, I would say, if my mom was sitting right next to me, she's like, Travis, give me an honest estimate, I would say 75 to 80% accurate. When the trend exhaustion is low here and when the whale money flows low, that's where the market's reversing. When it gets high up here, this is where the market's dropping. Guys, and some of you guys are using our strategy and you're doing fantastic. You've never lost a trade. But if you guys are using, you know, your own strategy in crypto, and you guys just like, look, Travis, I love your strategy, but I just want the indicators because they're super accurate. Like, go snag the indicators. That's totally cool. They're in the description if you guys want those. Okay, so Dogecoin. Dogecoin is the coin that just pumps because of Elon Musk. And so Dogecoin, I honestly, guys, think this is still a really, really good trade to be in. And I mentioned when we came out with this trade, it's going to probably be a really hard trade to lose because we have such good risk management on here. Like, we literally have a buy limit down here at 9 cents and another one down here at 2.6 cents. Like, that's so ridiculously low. Dogecoin has pumped 68, 103, and 75% from this area, as well as, let's look at this over here, 337%. That's crazy. I do have money in Dogecoin, so when this thing starts heading up, we're going to see the account balance head up as well. I'm not going to go through all these guys. I'll probably just go through like a couple more here because I don't want to make it too long of a video. But ADA, guys, ADA blew up. I've been covering this on this channel for quite a while, and I was mentioning to you guys that, you know, ADA, the lower this gets here, demand's going to take over and we're going to skyrocket up here. Guys, I think we actually went over 40% into the profit from the low here. Let's actually take a look at this. This has been doing very well for us in our account. Yeah, at the high here, we ended up hitting 52% on a pump, and now we're still up 33, basically 34% at 33.9. Trend exhaustion, price to swell money flow. Yeah, that was expected. You know, getting up here in the super high top area where we actually see the well money flow starting to move down here during this area, as well as the trend exhaustion moving down while price structure is actually going up. That was the easiest call that we've ever made. You know, this is due for a move back down. So great job for those of you guys who got back into some buy limits here, and you guys are riding this back up. So very good job. We've been down again. This is why we use this strategy. Take a look at this. Price range. For everyone who FOMO'd into this top range up here, you guys are down about, 35%. With the strategy, we're down about 23. Saved ourselves about 12% just on ADA using the strategy. Now, Matic, I am actually in Matic with you guys right now, and this is a super fun coin to be looking at. So I've got buy limit 1 hit, buy limit 2, 3, and 4 have not been hit yet, but I am looking for this to start bouncing back up soon. The reason why I think this is because we've got a lot of the retail trader indicators here. Sorry if you guys hear the background. It's the washing machine going. We've got a lot of retail trader indicators here looking very bearish. So this tells me most likely a lot of traders are going to be looking to, sell this when they wake up in the morning, Wednesday morning or Tuesday night here. However, the trend exhaustion down here and the well money flow is getting pretty low, which this is historically where we start bouncing back up. Just look at what happened over here and over here. Like, this is literally what I do before I go to bed sometimes. I'm like, you know what? Like, this is where I'm expecting to see market turns. Like, look at all this consolidation down here with the trend exhaustion and well money flow super low. We couldn't head down any further. Like, Matic technically could have come down to the structure support here, but it stalled out right when the trend exhaustion got low here in the well money flow and actually U-turned all the way back up. Pretty incredible. Then the drop over here was actually called with the trend exhaustion really high, as well as the well money flow very high too, and that actually called the drop here. So that's pretty cool. All right, I'm just gonna do that through Matic. I want to take a look right now at Bitcoin because I want to see what's going on with the Bitcoin metrics starting tomorrow. So 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Let's take a look at this. So we're sitting in the neutral section for Bitcoin. Not really much happening here. There's not a lot of retail traders getting super greedy. I'd be looking for drops if we were getting really greedy in here, but I'd be looking for pumps if we were super fearful. So as far as Bitcoin goes, we're still sitting in this range right now where people are like, yeah, we haven't broken past support, but we haven't broken resistance yet either. So I think it's just kind of a neutral point there. Long versus short trades. This one up here, this did update today, but short trades are just increasing here a little bit. Long trades are pretty much staying the same. This is putting pressure on Bitcoin. Again, I don't want to go over too much of this because I'm going to be doing a Bitcoin video tomorrow, but those short trades are putting pressure on the market right now. So what I'm looking for this week, and I'll save some of the metrics for tomorrow's video, is I'm looking at this, and then I'll actually show you guys how to get into a really good Bitcoin trade right now. If you're not in Bitcoin, you have extra cash. Like, I can almost guarantee you guys are going to win this next trade, and I'll give it to you guys here. This structure is very nice right now as far as the structure support that we're looking at, and this sits right around this level of $42,000. Okay, $42,000 could be a great place where we start bouncing back up from, but we're going to have to break this area here. Bullishness down here for sure on the trend exhaustion and well money flow. If you guys are watching this and you have this on your charts, what I want you guys to watch for is the trade setup I'm about to show you guys how to get into this. You want to watch for the next time the trend exhaustion gets up here and the well money flow gets up here to the top area, because that's where we're expecting drops. And that's just what's happened like almost 80% of the time. Like, just look over here. We dropped there, that's correlated to this drop, that drop. This move up here was the exact high, and then we started to see it move that down. You guys see that right there? Like, this high here correlated exactly to that drop there. Really kind of ridiculous. Here's how you guys trade with me. If you guys want to, I didn't know if I was going to go into this, but we're going to do it anyways. The pricing for our membership, get to hang out with our family, it's just $49 a month. Now, do know this, guys. Secure your spot. Our monthly membership is going to be increasing to $95 per month starting February 25th, 2022. The amount of trades that we're going to win when Bitcoin starts going up here is going to go fast and it's going to go quick. Our account is most likely going to blast up to $110,000 to $120,000 very fast if we get to a bull market. So I will be showing you guys how to actually take advantage of those moves. And again, I'll show you a trade you can get into right now for Bitcoin. And I'm pretty sure you guys are going to win this. Like, we've never lost a trade, so I'm pretty confident about this trade setup I'm about to show you. So $49 a month, that gives you actually access to all of the metrics up here. And then it gives you guys access to the live trades here as well, where that's where we're taking them all. So let's head over here. Let's take a look at the live trades. All 102 trades that we have won, they've all been taken on this single page. So let's take a look at this. Pull this over here. Talking about Bitcoin, I'll show you guys a Bitcoin trade setup you can take right now. This might have actually gotten hit today. Where are we at? 41705. Where are we on a Bitcoin? We're currently at 4170. We literally hit this today because we actually dipped down lower than this. So cool. All right, guys. Some of you guys got triggered in here. What happened for you guys today, and this is the trade setup I was going to tell you guys about. If you have $1,000, and this is how you literally trade our strategy, but you guys can use whatever amount you want. If you have $1,000 and you want to, all you guys have to do is basically put four portions. So you're taking your amount and you're just going to split it into 4 equal portions. So you're going to put 250 here, 250 at this buy limit, 250 at this buy limit, and 250 at this buy limit, okay? You guys choose the amount. It's very simple. Just, if you had $10,000, it would be $2,500 at each buy limit, okay? So when you set this up here, you're going to set all your buy limits at the exact same time in your exchange. I use Coinbase. If you guys want to know how to set those up of buy limits and sell limits, watch this video down here. It literally shows you everything. Once you guys set this up here, all you guys are doing is either waiting for me, if you guys are synced up with me on the YouTube channel, of when the trade exits. And when I mean synced up, this is what I mean. So in the Telegram channel, when the price comes up here and it comes above the break-even entry, that's where I'm going to call an exit in the Telegram channel for Bitcoin. However, this trade that I told you guys that you can get into right now is this trade right here. What you're going to do is follow me in the Telegram channel because I'm giving you guys market updates and you just want to be there because that's just the best place to be because I'm literally calling out trade exits for you guys and it's super valuable information. Once you have your membership, sign up on Telegram on your phone or your computer first, and then click this link right here. That will give you access over here where we've got like over 4,700 members actively trading with us right now. A lot of them are trading between $100,000 to $1 million. I know we trade with over $20 million in our account collectively. It's pretty cool. The indicators, guys, here's what I want to say. I'm moving the indicators, but this trade setup you can take right now. So let's say let's say you guys got paid last Friday and you want to throw some money in the market and you've got like $1,000. Cool. 250, 250, 250, 250. Now, guys, this channel, I'm not going for pump coins. I'm going for steady, consistent gains that's going to beat every other financial investment out there. We're going for 30 to 40% a year, and we're going to do it consistently, and we're not going to risk a lot of money, and we're going to do it safely, and we're going to win all of our trades. Like, how does that sound? Some of you guys are like, yep, that's what I want. Sign me up. Make sure you guys sign up before the membership goes up in a few days, $95. Make sure you guys sign up. Okay, but getting in right now, right here at the first buy limit, what's going to happen now is those of you guys who are in, here's what I want you to do. And I'm not kidding. You guys could probably literally secure for yourself on this single trade, like easily, I would say about 7%. So if you guys want to make 7% on a trade, here you go. Like even 8% is probably not going to be that hard. All you do is follow the buy limits, put your 4 buy limits. And if you guys want to get in with the first buy limit, that's okay. Just market order 25% because you're so close to the first buy limit. Get in here. And then what I want you guys to do is once you have the trend exhaustion, this is in the description. We have a bundle pack and all that. I'll go that into a second. But once you guys have the trend exhaustion, come over here and do this. Even with a free account or a pro account, set up an alert. So click the alert button over here and then come over there and click trend exhaustion and then click watch for drop. Only I do once per bar. And then I do this. Go to BTC, watch for drop, and then just create it. All this is going to do is it's going to set up an alert over here for you guys in Bitcoin, and this will actually give you an alert when the trend exhaustion white line pushes above this line right here, and it's officially in the top red section, which is where we drop about 80% of the time. All you guys have to do is get up there, exit the trade, and take 7 to 8% profit. Like literally, if you guys want to make 7 to 8%, like here you go, here's the trade. I'm literally already doing this on other coins that I'm in, but I just wanted to show you guys for Bitcoin. Now, here's the question. You guys are like, Travis, that sounds way too easy. Well, honestly, it probably is going to be that easy because Bitcoin's crashed this much. But what happens if Bitcoin goes down? That is why you guys have insurance on your trade and you use 3 other buy limits. These buy limits are placed at Fibonacci retracements, support resistance zones, bot levels, bank levels, whole numbers, as well as quarters theory levels. I use 6 different principles of trading to get us into these levels. These are so important. That's what you guys are really paying for, is the expertise behind these buy limits. Now, let's say Bitcoin comes down and it crashes. Well, you are still perfect and you get to celebrate. Well, why? Let's say your first buy limit's right here and you've got 3 more buy limits down here, okay? Once your second buy limit gets hit and you've got cash down here, your break-even entry doesn't stay at the first place. Like, your break-even entry does not stay at the first place. It's gonna move down and it's gonna immediately save you guys cash. Since we're so low right now, I do believe we could start seeing Bitcoin heading back up here. So this could probably be a really easy 7 to 8% win. But if it goes down, the more buy limits you guys hit, you're just going to get a better break-even entry. Do you guys see how literally it's possible now to never lose a crypto trade again and use really good risk management? And the indicators down here are what's keeping us so safe. And these are the things, the 2 indicators I'm using to call exits to predict the drops. And that's why we're able to call these profits so much. Like, the frequency of winning 102 trades in a row since March of last year is kind of ridiculous. I've taken 96 trades in 2021. 96 trades. It's kind of a lot. So all you guys are doing is setting up your buy limits, come over here, get these indicators, and wait for this to get an alert out here, and then wait for the well money flow to be high as well. If the well money flow is high, trend exhaustion's high, great. Look to sell, and then what you guys are going to do is just get back into the buy limits, back over here, and you're going to set up the next ones. These update every single day, guys. Our entire website updates every day. Over 92 metrics update every single day. All right, indicator sale that's going on. I want you guys to know about this. I added all the indicators here so you guys can see how many you get. Here's the deal. The trend exhaustion, the price versus well money flow, and the trend dashboard, these 3 indicators here, these are going to be going up in price. These 3. I'm upping all of them, and this is the cheapest you guys can get them. If you want to copy my charts, if you want to copy the Telegram channel, you want to get these 3 indicators. They're 60% off. You guys can use coupon code SAVEMONEY. I don't know if I'm going to write it all out here, but literally it's just save. I should actually type it out here so it's easier for you guys. Save moolah. Save money. Okay. So literally use this word at checkout, and you guys will get 60% off all the individual indicators. Now, here's what I suggest you guys doing instead of that, if I'm honest, is that you guys get the bundle pack. The reason for this is that you guys actually get all 9 of our indicators, literally all of these indicators, you guys get all of these for basically the same price of the 3 anyways. And you get 81% off everything instead of 60%. So you're basically saving yourself an extra 21%, or in other words, you'd be overpaying by 21% by not getting the bundle pack. That's why a bunch of people get the bundle pack and they love it. So I would personally get this if you guys are joining us over here. And this will allow you guys to just copy what I'm doing on the charts here. When I'm on the video here and I'm like, hey guys, everybody, once the price is up here, we're going to wait for the trend exhaustion to get up here and we're going to take an exit. Well, all you have to do, watch that yourself, take an exit, make some money, rinse and repeat over and over again. That's all you guys are doing. It's really, really simple. So I don't know. I just thought it'd be fun to record this for you guys. Before I go to bed here, just to look at the markets. I think Bitcoin could get very bullish here if we head above this resistance right here. And I'm going to officially call this a break above $45,000. I think is going to be the greatest place to be looking at this breakout. And that's where I'm going to be watching. But first, we have to break above this descending resistance to get bullish. But we could be bouncing up here very fast from this basically descending channel here. I know it's weak because it's touches over here. But the other channel I'm looking at, just real quick and then I'll end this video, is this guy right here. This is another support line we should be watching. So if this breaks, our saving grace is going to be this guy down here to come back up. Bitcoin is going to see a retracement. We see retracements all the time, and then we see pumps. We see retracements, and then we see pumps. So this is going to come back up here, and that's why you guys don't hear me nervous in my voice at all. I'm not nervous. We're only down to 2.4% in our account right now, and we're doing great. And some of the coins are down 24%. ADA right now, I'm down a total of, 23%? So how in the world are we down 23 and 24%, but our account is only down 2.4? Diversification. Not every coin has hit the 3rd buy limit. Matic. Take a look at Matic real quick here before we end this video. Matic, only the first buy limit has been hit. Guys, I've won over and over. We took a 23% win on Matic, and then we took another win and another win. Like as we've been in ADA and Ethereum and Doge for like ever, like we won 3 trades in a row on Matic. I already won another trade on AVAX and I won 2 other trades on Mana, just trading in and out of the market. That's why the account's not going down. Like that's why crypto's going down and we're continuing to win. Because just because you guys see, for example, like just because you see Bitcoin's in a drawdown right now, you guys understand that doesn't mean you can't take trades with our system and win them. Like everybody who takes this trade that I just showed you guys in this video is most likely going to be able to make about 7 to 8%. Like literally. Like don't wait for this trade to close. Like use the system right now and take 8% before Friday. That's definitely possible. So hope you guys enjoy this video, this little roundup video before I go to bed here. And hopefully I want to do more videos like this where it's just more chill and we're able to just be a little bit more of a family on here. So yeah, let me know if you guys like this style of videos and I'll keep them coming. God bless you guys so much. I hope you guys sleep with a ton of peace tonight. And hope you guys wake up refreshed. I'm going to be getting up at 6 a.m. in the morning to start doing videos again. And the whole team will be getting up around 8 o'clock to start answering emails for you guys. And we're here to serve you. All right, guys, sleep well. If you're watching this in the morning, good morning. And I hope you're having a good morning. But I'll see you guys later. The indicators are in the description as well as the membership is in the description as well. Do make sure you guys get this. Just being full disclosure, we are going to up this to $95 a month. So it's definitely going to be worth it. We have a lot of fun things planned, and I will grandfather all of you guys in if you get in at $49 a month. When it goes up to $95, I will not up it for you guys. You'll just stay at that same price. So everything you need is in the description, guys. God bless you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.